Kleenex boxes and paper towels. I discovered Kleenex at the age of 12 by necessity, of course. At that age, boys just have to discover it. And I have refined my use of it ever since. I use one Kleenex at the rate of 10 minutes, every 10 minutes. I keep them at hand. I have them everywhere, and that's what I mean by refined use of them. For paper towels, I prefer using them instead of the rags. I prefer using Kleenex and paper towel instead of all the rags that become ecosystem for bacteria and all sort of filth. So I use Kleenex every time I wash my hands frequently. I have them within hand reach everywhere. Upstairs I have them right beside the kitchen sink on the windowsill. The nice thing about them is that they're stylish. They add to the place, add style, and they're only getting better, starting to look better. I have them for my guests at every corner. They're useful. Of course, you want to have the garbage pail right beside them. You can't, it's one of the most essential things today, in these days. These Kleenexes, you can use them for mainly hygienic purposes or anything really.